Hey everyone, we are here today at Wilderness Lodge to show you a brand new remodeled standard room that is club level, and they look so good, you guys.
We are very excited to see these rooms. We've been waiting for it for a long time because, as you may know, this is our favorite resort, and they've just opened these back up here on the 7th floor, which is the club level floor, and I'm very happy with what they've done. A lot brighter, a lot cleaner. It looks really good.
Let's go check it out.
So when we first open up the door here, you can see they have changed quite a bit in these rooms. A lot more lighting in here. Of course, they have switched over to the hard floors there, so definitely a lot easier to keep these clean. Over here on our right, we're gonna have the closet area. Just step back and give you a view of that. There are two sections to this. The first slides open, and of course that's gonna have your hanging clothes and things like that, a luggage rack. And then they've switched over, instead of having an iron and ironing board, they have a steamer here instead. And then the door next to that is going to have our digital safe and just some more space for storage. So good utilization of that space there. And then to the left of the closet is your little coffee nook. As you can see, we have a cute little woodland picture there of Bambi and Friend Owl up in the tree. And they do have a Keurig in here. Your drawer down below is going to be where you find your coffee pods and cups and such. And then they do have, of course, a mini fridge down below. Now behind me is the bathroom area, and they've switched over to the big barn door here. So you can see it's got the full-length mirror on the door, and that just slides across and closes off the bathroom area, and has that slow close so you don't wind up smashing fingers or anything. So that's really nice. And then coming into the bathroom, you've got a double vanity in here, a little bit of storage down below with a couple cabinets and some shelves. Lots and lots of counter space in here. Loving this new countertop. And then above the counter is another little shelf you can put some things on for storage as well. Huge mirror that is backlit, as you can see, with some can lights up above, and of course a makeup mirror. And then this really cool, looks like a piece of rock, but it's actually backlit, so it glows. You can turn that off and on, and there's even a dimmer, I believe, on there as well. So pretty cool little feature they added there here in the bathroom, and also over in the main room. The other half of the bathroom is separated by one of the pocket doors that you can pull out here from the wall. And in here, you're going to, of course, find your toilet and your tub. Now, some of these rooms do have shower only. I believe it's mostly the king rooms, but if it's important for you to have a tub, make sure you do put in a request for that. And they've switched over to the glass doors for these tubs, as well as the rainforest style shower head there and the detachable shower head. So you've got those all new, and they've moved to the refillable soap and shampoo there. We've got this picture on the wall here of the totem poles downstairs. If you don't know the story behind those, make sure you check those out next time you're here at Wilderness Lodge. Now, coming into the main room, you'll see it is definitely a lot brighter than it used to be. There are lots and lots of lighting features in here, on the wall, above the headboards, overhead, lots of different lighting fixtures. These queen beds are now raised up off the ground, so you've got plenty of storage space underneath for your luggage. Get that out of the way here. On either side of the beds on the end, we have a couple little tables here built into the wall that you can plug up your phone and sit it there on the table. And this one says camp, pointing that way, and the other side says cabins, referring to the Copper Creek cabins, I have to assume. These new headboards are pretty awesome. They are wrapped in some kind of leather or fake leather, and they have these little lights built in as well, which is awesome. We do love it when they have those. And this kind of wooded print going on behind the beds is really great, because if you look closely, you'll see a couple of our friends, Chip and Dale, up there pulling some acorns out of the tree. Gotta love that. Little details they put in here. Now, down in between the beds, we do have, of course, a nightstand with some USB outlets there above it, and of course your phone and light switches. Behind me, you're gonna find your dresser, and that is a dresser that has the USB outlets and the plugs built in on the top, and a very large TV that replaces the smaller ones they used to have. So great brand new TV there. This is interesting over here because instead of a desk or a table and chairs, they've added two chairs that are quite comfy, look a little bit different. They're not your traditional chairs you'd find in these rooms. and they have 2 tables instead of 1, and you can pull those out and slide them around the room. So you've got kind of a little bit of mobility with those there. You can pull them up next to the bed or in front of the chairs or whatever you'd like. And then there is a mirror there with a couple more lights. So the biggest thing we've noticed in this room for sure is the lighting. It is so much brighter in here and so much cleaner. We absolutely love the new furniture. And we'll head out here, show you these curtains real quick. We've got some kind of Native American inspired feathers here going on, and head out onto our balcony. Of course, this did get a touch up during the refurbishment as well. We've got some chairs and a little table out here, and this particular room has a really awesome view of the Magic Kingdom and the Contemporary. If you look down, you'll see the smokehouse where they make all the meat for Whispering Canyon and such, but straight ahead there you'll have a great view of the fireworks and also the monorail going by at the Contemporary. Really cool. Just keep in mind that you cannot book a fireworks view here on club level. It's just the standard rooms. So you may have a Magic Kingdom view or you may have a view of the courtyard. And that is going to conclude the tour here of this brand new refurbished room at Wilderness Lodge on club level.
We hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those. And of course, subscribe to our channel. We have so many of these great videos on there already and so many more coming.
And if you'd like more information about the Walt Disney World resorts, including Wilderness Lodge here, head over to our website, herewiththeears.com, and you can find a link to that in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.